How to enable ChatGPT Voice on desktop computer. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily enable your microphone or voice chat on your ChatGPT. So first thing, just make sure you have enabled or currently using your mic option that is under your PC. So once you make sure you have enabled your volume settings to high or your microphone settings if you have any, so just make sure it's working correctly. And now just simply head over to chatgpt.com and you will land on this page, and make sure you have already logged into your account as well. So now simply click on this microphone option just over here, and if it asks you to error something like this, so here's what you can do is simply restart your page from over here. And now once again click on this mic and make sure to allow your microphone from over here. So now basically I will just show you an example. Hey ChatGPT, and simply click on done, and it will convert my text, as you can see, to it will convert my voice to text just like that. So you can simply send it, even customize it just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.